Hello everyone. Have you ever imagined yourselves as James Bond 007 or Sherlock Holmes or Byomkesh Bakshi, solving mysteries with very few clues? Or if I told you that we all have the power to become detectives in our daily life and even in the stories that we read? So, today we are going to wear our detective hats and learn how to make predictions and inferences. Inferring and predicting are the skills that we use in our daily lives. Like if we look at the sky full of black clouds, we predict that we are going to have rain today. Or if we see our classmate coming to school not in uniform but in casual clothes, we infer it must be their birthday. These skills help us better understand the situation, the persons, and even the stories that we read. Let's talk about making inferences. Inferences means drawing conclusion from the information provided or your observations and experiences. It's like solving a mystery by putting the clues together and then solve them. But how do we do that? Let's see. Let's discuss a few key strategies that will help you draw inferences. The first one is to understand the context. It includes the setting, circumstances, and time period. So, before making any inferences, we have to understand these. Imagine you are reading a story which is set in a town that is rainy and gloomy. This might help us in inferring that the people involved might be feeling sad or trapped. Now, the second point is understand explicit information. Now, explicit information is the information that is provided to you by the author. Imagine you are told that the character is nervous. Now, this is a clue which you don't have to guess or imagine because it's already provided. The next point is to understand implicit information. Implicit information means the information that is implied though it is not given. A situation where the author has told you that the character keeps moving around the room, it means that the character is anxious, though it is not told directly. The next point would be the author's perspective. Now, it is very important to understand the tone and purpose of the author. Sometimes the author's biases and opinions might affect how they describe the characters or the events. Understanding this would help you make better and informed inferences. And the next point is make connections. For making better inferences, you must connect what you read to your experiences. If the character is preparing for a big test, you must relate it to your own life and then infer that the character is feeling stressed or overwhelmed. The last point is identify patterns and trends. Look for recurring themes or behaviors in the story. If a person is known for lying, it is inferred that others won't believe what they are saying, though that has not been stated directly. And now here's a tip for you. The phrases such as, I can infer that because, I can infer that from, or I can infer that as, or I can conclude that because. Use these phrases and make your inferences clearer and stronger. Now is the time for your task. You have been given a passage. You have to read this and draw at least 3 inferences from it. And don't forget to give the reasons why you have drawn those inferences using the clues given in the text. And now we hope that drawing inferences is clear. In the next video, we shall talk about making predictions. Remember, just like Sherlock Holmes, you all have the ability to solve mysteries using your mind. Happy investigating!